Look what I got at Home Depot, bro.
I'm looking at some shit, bro.
Can I get some black olives? Can I get black olives? Can I get some?
Well, I know you freaking lying.
Y'all know, hold on, wait. Y'all know.
Googity.
Shut the fuck up! In the morning, I woke up this morning, and remember that every morning that I wake up, I woke up that fucking day. Just remember that.
What?
Can you stop asking? You guys keep asking me why the fuck I don't reply the chat, but every time I reply the chat, it's like all kind of weird ass question like, do you shave your pussy?
Who are you?
I'm Tommy with Colorado Pet Patrol. We monitor the internet for adults meeting children, and he came on our...
Have you lost your cotton picking mind?